In this lesson we are talking about ternary. We can call conditional or ternary operator. Syntax. It takes three operands: conditional expression, expression 1, expression 2. Conditional expression, here we are checking the condition. If the condition is true, expression 1 will be executed, or if the condition is false, the expression 2 will be executed. It is used same as if-else statement. Example for ternary operator. Consider program to illustrate ternary operator. Let's open Notepad. Class, for example, ternary. Let's say file and demo directory. Name same as a class name, ternary.java. Public static void main string args. We are declaring the variable integer I equal to 10, integer j assign variable 24, integer variable a assign value 0, so let's check a equal assign value to a from ternary operator. How to check condition? Let's see. I is less than j question mark. If the condition is true, I will print. If the condition false, colon, j will print. Here we are checking the condition. If I is less than j, after question mark I will print. Or if the I is if the condition false, it means I is not less than j, then j will print. So now we are seeing 10 is less than 24, so I will print, mean 10 will print. Let's print system.out.println the minimum value is a. So we are finding the minimum variable among these two variables. So which is the minimum? Here is the I. So let's save, open the directory, shift key in keyboard, right click, open command window here. Let's compile the file javac ternary.java. Press enter. So we have a error. Let's check the program. String. In error we have here error, which is string, miss the spell. So let's save again, compile again, javac ternary.java, press enter. So we don't have error, we got the ternary class file. Let's run Java ternary. The minimum value is 10. Let's have little space, and if we have minimum in J, for example 5, so the condition will false, J will print. So again the minimum value will be 5. So I is less than J, the condition false, J will print. J is have assigned value 5. Let's save and compile again. So run. The minimum value is 5. Let's have another example to demonstrate if block. Class, for example, block, save file, demo directory, same as a class name, block .java, public static void main string declare variable integer age, assign value 23, if age less than 18, print age is less than 18. And next statement, system inside if block. Let's print another statement outside block. Outside if block. Let's save file. Let's review the program. If age is less than 18, then it will the controller will come inside the block. These two sentences will be print, or after printing this statement, the outside block will also print because it's normally printing without any condition. So three statement will print. So if the condition false, then only this statement will print. So right now the statement is the age is not less than 18, only outside block will print. Let's run, shift key, open command window here, Java C, compile, block.java. So Java block outside if block is printing because the condition is false. Or if we want to age is, for example, 15. Age is less than 18. It means the condition is true. So then this three statement will print. First, the age less than 18 will print. Second, the inside if block will print, and the third, outside block will print. Let's compile, run. Three statement will. Now we have three statement. So if we don't have brace, so right now we have only one statement in block. So age is less than 18, the condition is true. This block will print, and this two sentence will print. This statement is inside block, and this sentence is not inside block, because if we don't have brace, only the one line is counting as a block. Let's save. So again it will print three sentence. The condition is true. This sentence will print, and normally outside block will print, which is two sentence outside of block. We can write this, which is outside block. So save file, compile, and run again. Three statement will print. So if the condition is false, for example, we are writing here 24, so the condition false, only two statement will print, because outside of block, this two sentence is outside of block. This block sentence is not outside the block, inside the block. Only one statement we have inside block, which is age is less than 18. Only one line is counting as a block if we don't have braces. Save file, compile, and run the. So we have two statement which is outside the block. The condition false, two statement will print. This is not printing because the condition is false. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, subscribe and share. If you have any query, write it down below on comment section.